Now, if you're going to send a couple of files to somebody, it's a good idea to always put them into one folder and zip that folder and send it to them so that all they have to do is download that one particular folder. Then they can extract it and have all of your files together in the right place. So this is going to work for really any type of files, and especially it's going to help when you're working with media files where you have to keep the project with the assets with maybe JPEGs or PDFs or MP4s or whatever you need for that particular project. So in this example, I have a main folder called assignments, and then I have two folders inside of it for chapter 1 and chapter 2. And notice that I've also put my last name, and this is because if I'm going to send these assignments to an instructor, I don't want them to get my folder confused with somebody else's and then potentially have problems with grading. So the two ways that you can compress files, I can double click inside of this chapter 1 folder, click and drag my mouse to highlight all three files, right click, send to compressed zipped folder. It's going to create a new zipped folder. It's going to name it based on the first file that it put inside of the folder. So you can come back in here and click and change the name. So I can call this Eddington Chapter 1. And then I would send this file, and then all the person has to do is right click on it and choose extract all. And now if I look inside that folder, I have those three files. So again, it creates a new open folder in that same spot. So I'll go ahead and delete these. And I want to be a little bit more efficient since I've already created the folder myself. Back here, you can just right click on this folder and choose send to compressed zipped folder. It's named Eddington Chapter 1. Now if they want to extract it, click extract all. And then see I have the three different files. And then I'm not sure, maybe I just forgot to delete this one out of the folder before I zipped it. But that's the basics of creating a zip folder on a PC and then extracting it as well.